In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder on iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And if you want to organize your home screen, you can put an applications into folders. Like here, as you can see, I got a folder here. I can tap on it, it opens up, and now there I can tap on any app to launch it. And now let me show you how to create those folders, and all you have to do is to hold down on any icon until icons start shaking, and now you can just hold down and move that icon around the home screen, and all you have to do to create a photo is to move that icon over the another icon and then just release the finger. And as you see, folder has just been created. You can tap at free space here, and now also you can go back and change its folder's name. You can tap there at where it says business. As you can see, it names automatically while creating, and also you can in any time change the name. I combined Google Meet and Zoom, so I can name that folder video calls, and then hit somewhere at free space and then hit done. And as you can see, I got a new folder which contains two different applications inside, and in any time I can in the same way add another apps in that folder. I can just hold down on this app and then move it over that folder to place it right in that folder and then hit done. Now you see how it works, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.